Today we're talking about the iPhone 17 Pro Max and a pretty exciting rumor about its battery. And it looks like Apple is about to seriously boost the juice this year. So Apple is set to announce the iPhone 17 lineup this September. And leaks have been hinting that the Pro Max will get a bit thicker and heavier. Why? To fit a larger battery. And today we might have a better idea of just how big that battery could be. According to a fresh post from Weibo leaker Instant Digital Chat Station, the iPhone 17 Pro Max could pack a battery close to 5,000 mAh. If that number holds up, it would be the largest battery ever in an iPhone. To give you some perspective, here's how the battery sizes compare over the last few years. iPhone 16 Pro Max had 4,676 mAh. iPhone 15 Pro Max came with 4,422 mAh. iPhone 14 Pro Max had 4,323 mAh. So jumping close to 5,000 mAh would mean nearly a 10% increase in battery capacity compared to last year's model. That's a pretty solid boost. Now remember, a bigger battery doesn't always mean a proportional increase in battery life. How long your phone lasts depends on other factors too, like software optimizations in iOS 26 and how efficiently the new A19 Pro chip manages power. Still, if you're looking for the iPhone with the longest lasting battery, the 17 Pro Max is shaping up to be a no-brainer this year. What do you think? Are you excited for this battery upgrade, or do you care more about other features? Drop a comment below. If you enjoyed this update, smash that like button, subscribe for more, and don't forget to hit the bell so you never miss a video. Today, we're diving into some fresh leaks about the iPhone 17 Pro. And wow, it looks like Apple might be shaking things up with a pretty bold redesign this fall. So leaker Munjinbu just dropped some close-up images of what's probably a late-stage dummy unit of the iPhone 17 Pro. And it's rocking a matte black look with a massive camera bar that stretches across the back. We've seen rumors about this extended camera bump before, but this might be the clearest look yet at just how much Apple is changing the design. Now, if you ask me, there's a lot of blank space on that camera bar that doesn't seem to serve any obvious purpose, at least not yet. Maybe Apple's got a trick up its sleeve for that area, but for now, we'll have to wait until the official launch this fall to get the full scoop. If you look closely at these images, you'll spot the power and camera control buttons still hanging out on the side. No surprises there. Apple's not ditching those anytime soon, and it's nice to know they're sticking around. Alright, but the changes aren't just skin deep. The iPhone 17 Pro's camera hardware is rumored to get a serious upgrade, starting with a 48MP telephoto lens. That's a big jump from the current 12MP telephoto, which should bring the telephoto quality more in line with the main cameras. Here's a twist though, some reports say that bump in resolution might actually come with a drop in optical zoom. Instead of a 5x zoom like on the iPhone 16 Pro, the new lens could offer only 3.5x optical zoom. Apple might make up for that with digital zoom tricks, kind of like Samsung did when they dropped the Galaxy S24 Ultra's optical zoom from 10x to 5x, but kept the zoom quality high digitally. Other cool upgrades could include a new 24MP front-facing selfie camera, doubling the current 12MP, and a dual video recording feature, letting you record video from both the front and back cameras at the same time. That could be a game changer for vloggers and creators. So that's what we know so far. We'll have to wait until Apple's fall launch to get all the official details, but in the meantime, if you want to stay on top of all the iPhone 17 Pro rumors and news, check out our iPhone 17 Pro Hub. And hey, if the Pro model isn't your vibe, we've also got deep dives on the iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Air, and iPhone 17 Pro Max, so you're covered no matter which one you're eyeing. What do you think about this bold new camera design? Would you rock that big bar on the back? Let me know down in the comments. We're now going to run through the full specs, design, and price for each model in the range to help you decide which one is right for you, so hit subscribe now and we'll dive right in. First up, we have the iPhone 17. The standard iPhone 17 comes with a 6.1-inch Super Retina OLED display, and for the first time ever, it'll feature a 120Hz LTPO display. The resolution is 1179 x 2556, and it's protected by the next-gen ceramic shield. It also boasts a peak brightness of around 3000 nits. The iPhone 17 features the new and improved Face ID sensor, which could allow Apple to shrink the size of the dynamic island. The selfie camera is also getting an upgrade with a 24MP front-facing camera. On the rear, you'll find a dual camera setup with a 48MP primary and a 48MP ultra-wide camera. The iPhone 17 is powered by the A19 chipset, comes with 8GB of RAM, and offers up to 1TB of storage. It's powered by a 3600 mAh battery with an upgrade to 45W fast charging. This model also comes with 5G Advanced, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 7, and NFC. It'll ship with iOS 19 and is expected to launch from around $850 in mid-2025. Next, we have the iPhone 17 Air. The iPhone 17 Air is replacing the Plus model and comes with a 6.6-inch Super Retina LTPO OLED display with a resolution of 1290x2796 and a 120Hz refresh rate. It also offers a peak brightness of 3000 nits and is protected by the next-gen ceramic shield. It's incredibly thin at 5mm, making it Apple's thinnest iPhone yet. The front features a 24MP selfie camera inside the dynamic island, and the rear houses a single 48MP camera. The iPhone 17 Air is powered by the A9 chipset, has 8GB of RAM, and offers up to 1TB of storage. The battery capacity is 4700 mAh with 45W fast charging. Just like the iPhone 17, it supports 5G Advanced, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 7, and NFC, and will ship with iOS 19. It's expected to launch from around $950 in mid-2025. Now let's look at the iPhone 17 Pro. The iPhone 17 Pro features a 6.3-inch 120Hz LTPO OLED display with a resolution of 1206x2622 and a peak brightness of around 3000 nits. It's also protected by the next-gen ceramic shield. Despite early rumors, this model will keep the dynamic island. The front camera is upgraded to a 24MP selfie camera, and on the rear you'll find a 48MP primary camera, 48MP ultra-wide camera, and a 48MP periscope camera, along with a LiDAR scanner. The iPhone 17 Pro is powered by the 2nm A19 Pro chipset, comes with 12GB of RAM, and offers up to 1TB of storage. The battery capacity is 3600 mAh with an upgraded 50W fast charging. It also supports 5G Advanced, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 7, and NFC, and will ship with iOS 19. The price for the iPhone 17 Pro starts at $1,050 and is expected to launch in mid-September 2025. Finally, we have the iPhone 17 Ultra. The iPhone 17 Ultra boasts a 6.9-inch 120Hz LTPO OLED display with a resolution of 1320x2868 and a peak brightness of 3000 nits. It's also protected by the next-gen ceramic shield. Like the other models, it keeps the dynamic island and features a 24MP selfie camera. The rear camera setup includes a 48MP primary, 48MP ultra-wide, 48MP periscope, and the LiDAR scanner. The iPhone 17 Ultra is powered by the 2nm A9 Pro chipset, comes with 12GB of RAM, and offers up to 1TB of storage. It features a 4700 mAh battery with 50W fast charging. It also supports 5G Advanced, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 7, and NFC, and ships with iOS 19. This model is expected to launch from around $1,250 in mid-September 2025. So overall, the iPhone 17 lineup is shaping up to be an exciting release from Apple. There's a focus on chipset improvements and the brand new design. For the first time in years, Apple seems to be really pushing forward with the power of their chipsets and upgraded RAM, offering more versatility. However, given how similar these devices are to their predecessors, I don't think anyone with an iPhone 16 will be rushing to upgrade. But for anyone with an older iPhone or those looking to try out their first iPhone, this will be a great option. There's still some time before the iPhone 17 hits the market in September 2025. But as soon as any new information comes in, I'll share it right away, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a thing.